Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your them reading. I know you want your you and yours, but Cancer, this is the end of the month. I was waiting for the new month energies to begin so we can do an in-depth reading. So next week, today we'll be checking up on only their energy to see how this person is feeling, what they're doing, how they're feeling. So if you're interested, stay tuned in and let's begin. And these are general collective readings. Cancer will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Cancer, let's begin your them reading. And these are, what I was going to say was welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Cancer, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us, and we welcome you in. All right, Cancer. And then any of you looking for a private reading, Cancer, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And after this read, I will also be doing your dialogue message cards. So, okay. So bottom of my deck, overall energy is the Knight of Wands, Cancer. Somebody wants to take some quick action towards you, it seems. They're very passionate about you. They want to come charging in. They don't want to spend the rest of their life in regret and sorrow. Maybe they've been doing some immature stuff in the past and you may have got pissed off at them, right? So they're recognizing their faults now. They're recognizing that they've maybe not brought stability to this connection or whatever they've done, and they have kind of got their karma, right? Things must have ended between the two of you or whatever, and this person has kind of realized that they've only gathered bad karma in hurting you. Whatever emotions there were between the two of you could have kind of got spilt over. This person wants to come out of that feeling now. And yes, they are watching you. They are watching you all the time, and they have got their karma. They want to come out of this hermit mode. I think they've done a lot of thinking. They feel they've made some very foolish mistakes in the past. They are also recognizing, Cancer, that it was their fault. The Tower in reverse is somebody realizing that they caused a tower moment to happen between the two of you, and that's the reason maybe you guys are not together, or you don't want to reconcile with them, or they're not being able to reconcile. So I'm going to clarify these cards first and then I'll move on to the next. So why does Cancer's person feel Five of Cups, Spirit? Five of Cups for Cancer's person. They never offered you commitment. They never offered you stability in the past, and now they're regretting their actions. And the Page of Swords, Spirit. Page of Swords. Something got disrupted here, which could have led to a very beautiful union. Ten of Pentacles is like forever and ever after, which I don't think really happened. So, Page of Swords, Spirit. Why is the Page of Swords here? Page of Swords. I think this person got scared. They got scared of, committing to that kind of a connection where, you give me your cup and I give you my cup and we are together forever. They either got scared or they were too immature to understand that what they were doing was not good. But now they are kind of figuring out their own mistakes. Judgment in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Yes, I think this person has got their karma big time now, and they're very, very, maybe they had options in the past, but if they did, or if they were checking out if the grass was greener on the other side, or they wanted to party hard and meet more people in the past, they don't want to do that anymore, Cancer. They just don't want to do it. In fact, the thought of meeting other people right now is probably boring them. They just don't, they are out of this party scene. Maybe earlier they were, and they maybe came across as somebody immature or a player or something, but now they feel it's time that I got out of all my foolish choices, my unwise decisions. They want to return. Yes, they are obsessively only thinking about you, Cancer. Look at the amount of passion this person has. They're obsessed with, they can't get you off their mind. They're very bored with any other offers coming towards them. People are offering them. There are other options that this person has, but they don't want any of them. They only want one, which is to come back to you. And this is an obsessive thought now. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit? What was this tower that went down? Why did they feel like that? Tower in reverse. What happened here? Too many cards, but I'm going to take them. I think there may have come a time where they had to kind of do the right thing, but instead of doing the right thing, I think they kind of chickened out and maybe offered very, very little. And that's the reason this connection also probably stopped or stagnated. They broke your heart big time, right? You maybe asked for justice, or you asked for a balanced connection, which they were in their page energy that time, and they said, okay, I'll give you one pentacle, okay, that should suffice for you, which it didn't. It actually just broke your heart, and they're recognizing that hey, I broke my person's heart, I broke my Cancer's heart in the past, and it's my fault. There was no stability here, there was no foundation here, and who's responsible? I'm responsible. That's what they're thinking. Now, of course, sometimes the energies can be flipped. Cancer, you could have done this to your person. I don't know, but you will know your own story. But I'm going to read it as this is your person. So, Three of Pentacles in reverse, in reverse, Spirit. Three of Pentacles in reverse. Three of Pentacles in reverse. Three of Pentacles in reverse. You may be kind of rethinking, Cancer, at least that's how they feel, that you may not want to work with them again because there has been no investment put. They have no control over you, or they have never put in the time and effort and energy, but they see you in a very high light. They see you, in the sense, they see you as the Empress or somebody who is doing really well in their own life. Masculine, feminine, doesn't matter, but Cancer, your partner sees you as having growth and fertility and abundance in your life, and now they are seeing themselves that, my God, for such a person, how did I treat them? What did I do? I didn't even do enough to respect this person who was so fabulous in my life. And now I'm not sure whether, they'll even want to work with me. But they desperately, desperately, Cancer, want to come out of this stuck place. Now they know what they've done, and they're desperate. This is in their self-position. They want to come out of this stuck place that they find themselves in. Hanged Man in reverse, Spirit. Hanged Man in reverse. Hanged Man in reverse. Yes, they are seeing things from all different perspectives now, and they are realizing that they want to hold on to you tight. They don't want to let you go, but unfortunately they may be seeing you as maybe a little bit defensive now, maybe holding back from them. So that's the only hitch here. How you see them, Cancer, is the King of Swords in reverse. So you actually see them as very cold and very unemotional and rude sometimes and mean sometimes, or a liar. And of course, you, because of the way they treated you in the past, that's your perception of them, right? But heart of hearts, Cancer, you can admit it to me in the comment section. You also know that this person makes you very happy, or at least did at one point. You did see the sun shining with them, or at least you hoped that one day you can find complete happiness with them. Even though right now you don't see them like that, and you feel they're cold and they're calculating and they're rude and they're mean and everything. And yes, you feel that there was no love here. They never loved you. That's what you feel, right? They never loved me, because otherwise they would have continued to work on this connection. They wouldn't have kind of stuck a poke in that wheel of fortune, which was flowing maybe at one point quite smoothly. But you feel that because of their bad behavior, things are totally stuck between the two of you, and you're not even sure whether love is present in this situation. Their fear, what is their biggest fear, Cancer, right now, is that things have totally halted. You're not interested in moving ahead with them. Why is that, Spirit? Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Why is the Knight of Pentacles in reverse for Cancer's person? Oh. Cancer, they feel right now that even if they were to come towards you right now and say, hey, I'm going to work on this connection, I want to commit with you, because they haven't done it in the past, it could probably lead to another fight or a conflict or something, because they are fearing that you wouldn't want to kind of start the story with them again. Am I right, Spirit? Is that their fear? Is that their fear? Yes, they feel you've gone into self-love now, Cancer, and you've shut that cup of love with a big fat lid and saying, hey, I'm not giving to you anymore, and I'm keeping all this love tucked away for myself, and I'm not interested, because and they are expecting a little argument or a fight and a refusal to have long term with them. They do want to communicate very badly. They want to come and tell you some truth here with the Ace of Swords. So what's that, Spirit? Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords. Ooh, Chariot again. All right. I love this read. Okay, so Cancer, what they want to come and tell you, they're stressing about it big time. They can't sleep at night thinking of the conversation of how to do it, what to say, to avoid some kind of fight or something. This person has taken a lot of time out to kind of think about what they've done, and whatever conclusions they've come to has really burdened them. They've realized all their mistakes, I think, and this has like become a stress point for them. They want to rush towards you now, Cancer. This card has come out, I think, a couple of times. This person wants to come rushing towards you, and the truth that they want to tell you, Cancer, you can give me a thumbs up now or later. They want to offer you the 10 of Cups. They see the future with you. They see a future with you. They see that you are the one. But they're just a little fearful now. But they are very sure. They're very, very sure. They're very passionate. They want to charge towards you. Just that it's kind of, they're taking a little bit of a breather here to maybe reflect on all the stress and tension maybe that they've put you through. And the more they're thinking about it, the more it's stressing them out. They're feeling very burdened with the thoughts of what they have put you through. Okay? But that's what they want to do. They want to rush towards you, speak their truth, that, hey, you are my 10 of Cups. So let's do some dialogue message cards, Cancer. Let's see what this person would like to say to you, if they could. Okay. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels will bless this reading. Then we'll take out the dialogue message cards. So my angels, what do you have for Cancer's person or Cancer for this read? What do you have for this read? A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Heaven is watching over you. So just sit pretty, Cancer. You have nothing to worry about. Your angels are doing their thing. I think this person could be going through a bit of a karmic lesson here. They are feeling very bored, rejected, neglected. None of these options are doing nothing for them. So this could be a lesson for this person, but you are totally protected from what I see. Your angels are totally around you. So let's see now if you guys could say something to each other now, Cancer, what that would be. Just give me a second here. Sorry, Cancer, I got interrupted by a very, very urgent call. So, okay, so we were on to our dialogue cards. Let's see how Cancer's person is doing and what they want to say to Cancer. And of course, flip the energy, right? You would know your own stories. Cancer's person, Spirit. If they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Okay. And I'm going to take a couple more from here, Cancer. Cancer's person. Thank you. All right, good to go, Cancer. You're all I desire. Cancer, you're all they desire. I told you, this person is very, very passionate about you and they really want to come charging in. If they've been double-minded in the past, they are absolutely sure now. Okay. I want to spend the rest of my life loving you. They want to make up for all their past mistakes, it seems. Love and being loved is the most beautiful, crazy, unexpected, and magical feeling I've ever felt. Thank you for loving me the way that you do. I love you to infinity. Now they're recognizing this Queen of Cups love, I think. Though I haven't always said it with words, there is love in the silence. Close your eyes and feel my presence. Be still and listen to me tell you that I love you. So they've never told you, and no wonder you kind of felt they are unemotional and cold and whatever, right? I haven't apologized because I don't feel deserving of your forgiveness. I haven't been able to forgive myself for how I treated you. Isn't that just what we finished saying, Cancer? They are going through a lot of burden, remembering what they did. This person has spent a lot of time thinking about this. And now the last card says, when I miss you, I don't have to go far. I just have to look within my heart and soul because that's where you are. So Cancer, this was your reading. Hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know if it resonated, and I will see you now on Saturday. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.